to remove the background. If you don't have the channels panel open, go to the window and enable it. Now what we are going to do, select the blue, right click on it and duplicate the channel. Disable this one, enable only one of them, which is the blue copy, then go to the image adjustment and add levels to it. We want to make the darks very dark and also the whites very white. Move this to this side and this one. Okay, keep it like this. Press OK. Now go to the object selection tool and you are going to select our object, which is this guy. We have an issue here. I want to fix it with the polygon lasso tool. Press on the shift and select it like this. Now it's included with the selection. Now the next thing we are going to do is to go to the select and mask, and then from here we are going to refine the edges. Make sure that you're using the refine the edges tool, which is this one. Adjust the size and the hardness. Something like this will be good. Now paint over the edges to remove the background. We will do the same for this side as well. Okay, perfect. Then we can play with the settings that we have in the right side. Bring down the edges a bit, make it -9. Now it's better. Press OK, and you are going to remove this below copy. Remove it like this and go to the layers, select it and make a mask on it. Just like this, remove the background. Now if you want to bring back the mask, you just go to the mask, command and click on it, or control and click on it. You will have the mask back. Now I want to fix the hair because you have some color on it. For that I'm going to use the brush tool, but first I need to create a new layer over it, and then I will use the brush tool to paint over the blue areas, and I will get my color from the hair. Now make the size of the brush smaller like this, and then we can use eyedrop. Press I to get the color from the hair, then press B for the brush again, and we can paint over these areas. I'll continue to do that. Just get your color from the hair and then paint over it like this, and repeat the process. Let's do it for this side as well. I'll get the color from here and paint over it. Okay, and then we can go ahead and change the blending mode for this layer. We can make it multiply, I think. Multiply works better. Then Command or Control D to deselect, just like this. The next thing, I want to add a background. Go to the adjustment effect, solid color, and give it any color. I just want to see that we remove the background from the hair perfectly. Let's change the color again. Let's keep it like this and give it a close look. As you can see in this area we didn't paint good. I'm going to select the mask again, go to this layer, then painting tool or the brush tool, get the color from this area and paint over it like this. And you will do for the other areas if you have. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to change the background again. As you can see, the blue color works the best. But what if we want another color? For example, we want the yellow color. Let's change the color to the yellow. Now that we have the yellow background, I want the yellow light on the hair. For that, I created a new empty layer and I will call it light. Then we will change the blending mode for this layer to screen. Then we will use the eyedrop to get the color from the background and we will paint over the hair. But don't forget, we only want to paint over the hair. You can clip mask it like this, put it over it and press on the Option or Alt and click on it to clip mask, or you can simply bring back the selection just like this and paint over it. You can use both of these ways to paint only on the hair. So I'll go ahead and paint a bit of the light. I'll bring down the opacity for the brush and paint over it like this. I'm not trying to perfect anything, I just want to show you the way or the process. And then we can change the blending mode to anything that looks better. Let's keep this also on the multiply. Actually, multiply is not working. Make it screen again. And like this, we painted some of the yellow over the hair. Okay guys, this will be the end of this lesson. By this, we covered all of the selection tools and some of the good ways to remove the background. I'll see you in the next lesson and we will work on a homework project. See you there.